Welcome, today I am with Realme Narzo 30 and I will show you how you can remove and also how you can add back the widgets to your home screen. So at the first I'm going to remove these two widgets, so you have to click, hold and then select remove. Do the same with this calendar widget. Next, if you want to add the new widget, you have to click and hold on the screen. Right here you have to scroll to the right and pick widgets. And right now we can find here a lot of different widgets. For example, I'm going to attach this digital clock. So we have to click once and then it will be attached to the screen. When you click outside, you are going to confirm, and when you click and hold like that and after that release, you are able to remove it, as you can see. But we can move that widget between the screens. When you click on these two arrows, you are going to refresh that widget. Of course, we have to grant permission when we are using this application for the first time. So you have to grant permission for the location. And when you click once on that widget, you will open application that is set up with this widget. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.